5 reasons why men lose their morning wood. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we're going to discuss the top 5 reasons why men lose their morning wood. So let's get started. Number 1. Porn addiction. Morning wood is often lost in men addicted to porn, not because of blood flow issues, but because of problems with the brain. Excessive porn consumption actually causes desensitization, in a similar fashion to an alcoholic, who needs to keep drinking more and more alcohol to get the same buzz. But in this case, it's not whiskey or beer that you'll develop a tolerance to, but brain chemicals such as dopamine that you must respond to in order to get an erection. And once this mismatch is created between your brain and your penis, you'll likely lose your morning wood entirely if you don't take steps to get the porn out of your life. Number 2. DHT Blocking Agents. Lots of people use Propecia, dutasteride, finasteride, and herbs like saw palmetto to reduce hair loss. They can reduce hair loss, but the problem is that they reduce it by blocking the conversion of testosterone to DHT. DHT is an important component of the erection process, and when you reduce its level in your body, you will face the consequences. A study shows that 94% of dutasteride and finasteride users surveyed had low libido and 92% experienced erectile dysfunction. Number 3. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol is a potent enemy of testosterone when used excessively. Testosterone is absolutely crucial for morning wood, strong erections, and sexual performance. I'm not recommending you skip the alcohol entirely. If you take it in a reasonable amounts, it will have no side effects. But when you take it excessively, it will cause serious problems, including a lack of morning wood. Regular consumption of large amounts of alcohol can drastically lower testosterone levels. Heavy alcohol use will always hurt your sex life. Keep that in mind when thinking about how often and how much you drink. Number 4. Antidepressants, SSRIs. A regular dose of antidepressants can contribute to the lack of morning wood. This is actually much more common than you think. In fact, a quick web search on this topic reveals that nearly all of the most popular antidepressants have some risk of sexual side effects. Antidepressants actually raise the levels of serotonin in your body. This has a calming effect, but also lowers libido and prevents crucial sex hormones from working as they should. Number 5. Lack of REM sleep. It's during REM sleep that men get nocturnal erections, a nighttime regenerative process where the pipes and tissues of your genitalia are maintained and repaired. Your nervous system actually relaxes the penile muscle tissue and blood vessels during this process, which increases blood flow and delivers vital nutrients to your entire package. If you miss out on your REM sleep, you also miss out on this repair process, which will eventually lead to erection problems, especially if your sleep issues are chronic. So guys, that's enough for today's video. For more information on boosting your erections naturally, download my free ebook by clicking the link in the description box below. We will be back to you soon with another video with more tips on maximizing erectile function, without the use of drugs or artificial hormones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Until then, goodbye and peace.